Hi, my name is Dennis Bullock, and I'm running for the California State Assembly. As you can see around me, we're in a drought. That's not new to California. Right now, our solution's demand side. Since we can't find any more regional resources, we conserve and conserve and conserve, and it constricts and constricts and constricts our way of life. One proposed plan back in 1992 by Governor Walter Hickel of Alaska was to bring water from Alaska to California in an undersea pipeline. The Alaska to California pipeline would bring water from the Copper-Stikine rivers into the California State Water Project and would bring an estimated 4 million acre-feet of water per year to California. Has this been done before? Yes. The Langland pipeline between Norway and the UK is 745 miles long. It's underwater, it's natural gas, but it's comparable. We could build the same technology here. Now, the pipeline from Alaska to California was estimated to be $110 billion in 1992. That's a lot of money, and it's $187 billion today. But if we were to try it again, let's look at the Langland pipeline. That cost just $2.8 billion, about 1/50th of the cost of what is projected for the Alaska to California pipeline. If we were to look at this again and perhaps be able to build it, it could mean 4 million acre-feet of water per year for California. And that's a lot of water. A lot of water for farming, a lot of water for tap water and homes and in cities. It's what we need for California. It's not the whole answer. It's part of the answer. We need conservation, but we also need new sources of water, desalination, recycling, and a California to Alaska pipeline.